Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the clean product showcase effect using PixVerse. It's a smooth and elegant animation styles that perfect for product marketing, ads and promotional videos. And the best part, you can generate it completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use the web versions directly on your browser use or just download the app from the Play Store if you prefer using your app versions. And then once you have it, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you free credits every single day. So even if you are just starting, you can still create animations without spending anything. Okay, next, when you're in, you will take to the home page like this, and then just simply tap on template tab over here like this, and then next just choose product marketing, this just tap on it, and then in here PixVerse has tons of professional templates, but for today effect we will choose the product close up template. So just scroll down until you find product close up, this one, just tap on it. Like this. This is the effect that will animate your product. These animations, I think it's so smooth, elegant and visually clean. It's perfect for product showcase or maybe small business promos, gadgets or any that you want to present in premium professional way. Next, just tap on use template and then just upload your product photo like this, and then just tap on create. It will take 30 credits. Just tap on it. And then just go back and then go to mine, this one, and then just wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, in just a few moments, PixVerse will transform your product image into a clean professional animations automatically like this. No fuss, no complicated editing, just elegant results. And okay, that's it. You have just successfully created the clean product showcase effect using PixVerse in just a few taps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!